Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen on behalf of Expert Village. In this series we're talking about fall blooming flower bulbs, and an interesting flower bulb that we carry is Arum Italicum. Now Arum Italicum are related to calla lilies. All calla lilies are in Arum family, are related. They're just a tuber like a calla lily. There's a side with a little eye, and there's a side has a point. Well, the growth is going to come out of the eye. And again, when they're a tuber, I just go sideways or up and down. It really doesn't matter because they're going to grow from any direction. They're interesting because you get 3 seasons of color with these. First, you get a calla-like bloom that dies back, and then there's gorgeous foliage, and then they'll make berries, like orange berries on them through the fall that look very exotic and very interesting. They're very hardy, too. They'll multiply and multiply like no get out. So once you get them going, you've got them forever. And they're just a really interesting addition to your garden. Arum Italicum are great in the shade, especially. They love to be under trees, but they'll handle a lot of sun, too, because they have the berries in the fall, so they don't really get sunburned too badly. So they'll grow almost anywhere. And they're a very easy bulb to take care of. You just kind of throw them in the ground and forget them, and they'll come back year after year. Thanks for watching our series on fall blooming flower bulbs. I hope you've enjoyed it. Join us next time as we discuss another subject related to flower bulbs.